Okay, it's Saturday morning. I thought I'd just do a little time warp of cutting and buffing the Chevy 2 today because it takes a long time. So time warp is like the best route. So got the GoPro set up, got the car ready, already clay barred it. So we're gonna do two steps. We're gonna do a machine polish and then an ultrafine machine polish, and we'll see how she turns out. So I did the hood and fenders, and you can see that yesterday's wind has blown dust and dirt all over the car. So we're gonna get the dust off of it because we already clay barred the whole car over the last couple of days. So it's pretty much ready to do the polish. So I'm just gonna get the California duster out and some quick detailer, and then we'll get to polishing. Okay, let's get right into it. So we're gonna start the polishing process by getting all the dust off with the California duster. Next step is to wipe the whole car down with a microfiber towel and the Chemical Guys synthetic spot detailer. We've moved into the polishing part with Chemical Guys detailer in between to wipe it off, kind of get it ready each panel, and just go through the whole process with the machine polish on the machine polish pad. That's the black pad and the black cap from 3M. So we're just going to go through and do that to the entire car. So we skipped the first step, which is the compound polish, and are able to just jump right into the machine polish and the ultrafine machine polish, but the sun's out, so we got to get it under the shade because with a hot surface, it doesn't do very good, kind of sticks to it, and you definitely don't want your surface to dry out while you're buffing. A lot of guys buff until the polish comes off. That is wrong. You're going to scratch things. So we just got done with the machine polish. Now we're going to jump into doing the ultrafine machine polish. I'll have pictures at the end with those part numbers since these pictures aren't super clear. There's my pads. They're kind of beat up. Step 2 and 3 is machine and ultrafine machine. I like to use a cheap Chicago buffer. It's got an electric digital speed display on it. So now we're going through this process again. So we've gone through the whole car with the machine polish. Now I'm on the blue wheel with step 3 from 3M, which is the ultrafine machine polish. What's nice about this time lapse is speeds everything up. This was probably a almost 4-hour process. Decided to take off the emblems there in the back, the Nova and the Chevy 2 emblem, because can't get behind it, and then it just looks like crap all the time. So here's my mini setup. I've got the 3M buffing discs on there. They're a foam backing pad on the drill because I had a spot where the overspray was so thick the machine polish wouldn't take it off, and it actually needed to be sanded with 3000 grit to make it look good. So here we go. Back at it again with the ultrafine machine polish, and she's going to turn out pretty good when it's all done. If you don't have a shop or an indoor space to do this, you really do have to do it in the shade. It was a nice day. It was only 65 to 70 degrees out, but that sun hits the panel and it just heats the panel up too much. Your spray from Chemical Guys and including the machine polish dries too quickly and you start buffing scratches into it. But when you're done, should look like the whole surface is just absolutely soaking wet, like the car just got dipped in paint, which is what we have here. Thanks for watching, guys. Sure do appreciate everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit. If you have questions, just leave them in the comments below, but my preference has been 3M for a long time. Thanks again. Just remember when you're buffing to keep your panel wet and you won't put scratches back into it. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe for more.